Okay, this is a S30 with a R31 Skyline rear disc brake conversion. You can see, I suppose I better tell you what's going on. A couple of members in the club said, oh, can you give me a little bit of an idea about it? So I thought, yeah, I'll do a video. Which is cool, that's fine, because I'm not that busy. But you can see where I've set that caliper at that. If we set it up towards here, then it would foul on the strut here. So also you can see it's not the best quality, but anyway, you can see the handbrake bracket here, that's the original Skyline one, and that's been shortened 50%. So, and also you have to widen the hole here slightly where the handbrake connects in, and also shave a little bit off of it so it actually plugs in there. But you'll sort of get it if it clears. It's got enough clearance there, so this really should be like tied up like that sort of thing. But I think that's really about it, because I got some shuffling to do.